Hello, hello, it's Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts. Welcome to my channel. Hey, finally, we're there. The journal is done. I am so excited to show it to you today. First of all, please help my algorithm grow and give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and become a subscriber if you're not already. Now, let's move on to this journal. It is fabulous. I love it. I wish this was purple, but it's okay. We're going to leave it. We just kind of did things as we went. When I planned this journal out, I had no plan. It was just like a lot of my other journals. I just go with the flow as I go along. I see the paper, and then I start using it, and then it just kind of takes shape. So this is the front cover. And this is I called it a flip fold journal because it flips and flops and then it flips and folds. So let's have a look at the flip flop part. Here we go. It goes, this is the journal. It's right here. I will have to figure out how many sheets are in it. I don't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, 10. Let's count them. 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 37 or 38 pages doubled. So if it's 37 pages, it's 74. 7, 7, 14, yes, 74 pages total. So you can write front and back. And you can untie it and pull all this off, punch some new paper, and put it in. So let's look at this part where we fold this over. And here we have a nice writing spot. And right here we have a cute little journaling card. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I love that. This is like a covered button, but it's just a little emblem guy. A little bit of ephemera, and then on the back, writing spots. A little bit of lace and more ephemera, and that just tucks into this cute little pocket. And then we flip this around. And right here we have another little journaling card. I've just put a little date on it, trying to keep them pretty flat. Added a little bit of velvet trim. Put on a couple of things. And there we go. And then we have our pocket down here. And we have our tuck spot up here. So in here, what looks like maybe a journaling card is actually a little secret envelope with some ephemera in it from Italy. I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought. I was thinking of 100 things. I got this from Rachel, who lives in Italy. And this is 29 March 1950, and it's an actual piece of ephemera. So it's vintage, and it goes right back in this little envelope. And you tuck it up, and you tuck it down, and there it is. You could tuck something else up there too if you'd like. And then you can just put this right over it. There we go. So we fold it back down, flip it back over. Now we're back to the front. Now this time we flip it up, and right in here we have another envelope, and inside of this envelope is just a nice big journaling card. Isn't that cute? Cute, cute, cute. So we close that back up and find our little envelope slot. There it is. Hide that back in there. And then we have a cute little journaling card here with a bookmark on it. And you can write on that. You can write on the front. You can write on the back. I tried to keep as much writing space as possible. Little bit of ephemera here. And then another big journaling card that matches this one. We have a nice big dragonfly stamp here. And just some trim. With some pretty dyed paper. This is Easter egg dye. I've decorated this pocket. And then we go to here. And I've put in this ephemera from the Lavender Farms. It was leftover I had from Lavender Farms. I've added these cute little embellishments here. And over here we have a whole bunch of stuff. So here we have a little card tucked in here that opens up like an envelope. And just an extra piece of paper. And this is Lavender Farms. And we open up our pocket. Always keep inside your heart a pocket full of dreams. Let's open that. And we have a little lavender journaling card here. And then back here we have another big journaling card. And we took this off, didn't we? And we put it back on with glue. And it was upside down is what it was. Silly me. And then we have a nice big bookmark right there. And then inside of here we have another really large journaling card. Isn't that nice? I think that's sweet. So let's put that back. We have some mulberry paper along here that helps this hinge stay solid and in the journal. Reinforces it, I should say. Let's put that there. Put this inside this belly band pocket. And let's see. So now we flip and fold to the back. And here we have just a nice big journaling spot with a little bit of lace. And then in here, I've made this little button with a lace inside of it. And this is just a little notepad. Different colors. And this was a piece of paper that was ripped, so I repaired it with a piece of washi tape. And that goes back in here. And then over here, on our last page, we have this journal book. A couple half pages, using up our scraps, you know how we are. And some pretty pink, and then they use this beautiful purple and white baker's twine. Isn't that cool? So just a little, let's see, we have 3, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 places to write in this little journal. It's got a really nice copper brad here. I love it. And then a little bit of lace here. And then in this lace pocket we have some little flowers and another one right here. I just tucked them in as extras. And I think that's it. There we are. There's the back. So let's take one more look here. A little bit here. And then we go this way. And we flip it back over here. I have to look at that again. And then we have our secret envelope in here. And then we have the beginning with our journal. So there you go. Look at that. It's quite a piece of work, isn't it? So if I fold it all out here, that is the flip fold journal, front and back. And there's the journaling part right there. So, quite a bit there, isn't there? I want to thank you very, very much for joining me during this all purple get up. I did keep it in the purple tones all the way through, except for, you know, a little bit here and there. I did add purple around the edges of almost everything. I might have to go back and catch some more, but like this card, it's not purple yet, but it will be. But yeah, I really tried to keep it within the purple tones. Here I missed. I got blue and red. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was fun to work on keeping that tone going. So I really, really enjoyed it a lot. So I appreciate you helping me and talking with me about it as we went. And hey, let's make a new journal now. I have a couple in the thought process, but I talked to you about one, which is this one. That we're going to use the cover, the spine, and the back on. I'm pretty sure we're going to use the spine. And we're going to make a junk journal. It's going to be just a junk journal. We started with some junk that I got from Emily. Not junk Emily, I know. But it is our coffee dyed, old looking vintage things. So we've got some things here started. And we'll be putting some old book pages in it and some ledger. So that is the next project. Now this one, the way I'm going to do it is inspired by 49 Dragonflies. So that is going to be inspired by her. But it will be my own journal, not like hers. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yawning. Goodness sake. Alright guys, thanks for joining me, and I hope you all have a great evening, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.